Hello guys, this is a video and I will be showing you how to download and install mods for your PC. This is only for Windows operating system, so if you're a Mac user out there, I'm sorry this is not the video for you, but I should and I might make a Mac video of how to download and install mods for it. But alongside, I'm sorry for the mic quality. Right now, the mic I have is not working, so I'm using my dad's microphone for his work. And yeah, so we'll get straight into it. So the first step in downloading mods is you have to have Minecraft, of course. So when you have Minecraft open here, Minecraft launcher, all you have is like the 1.12.2 release, right, or something else, or 1.7.10 you launched. And what you do is you want to go over to your Google Chrome or what web browser you have, and you want to look up Forge files. Sorry if my keyboard is really loud. And you click Minecraft Forge, and you will see downloads for Minecraft Forge. Um, and you will see 1.12.2. So every single mod you download, it has its own version. Now, if you're going to download a version for your mod that you really like, get that version because any other version will not work for the mod version that it's using. Now, if you can have more than one mod installed, but they all have to have the same version. Now, I'm going to get 1.12.2 because it's latest so far, and yeah, so you don't want to download latest, you want to download recommended because you do not want to get a virus. So I will, because I'm on Windows, I'll click Windows Installer. If you're on Mac or Linux, install Installer. And so I'm just going to download Windows Installer. And it'll bring to a shady website right here. Don't worry, you're fine. All this blah, 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 blah. Don't listen to that. And if white screen, if any ad pops up, then don't listen to it at all. Click no, no, deny. So, because I have an ad blocker on, it will not pop up. I click skip. You have to click skip. And it'll get your download. You want to just get out of this page. And once it finishes downloading, run it. Just open it. And it will open. And it says mod system installer. Also, it'll have this page text over there. And you want to install the client. Always in client. And you click OK. It will download your libraries. And it'll successfully install client profile for version 1.12.2. You have to have run 1.12.2 manually by itself with no mods already before you download this Forge client library. So after that, you want to go to Minecraft. You could just delete this installer. And you'll see a drop down and you'll have Forge 1.12.2. And you have to have that Forge there. And what you want to do so far is you just want to run it. Now, after it's running, just wait. It's going to run. So after it's running, you'll see all of this stuff. You don't have any mods yet, so it's just downloading regular Minecraft. If this doesn't pop up, like all this stuff, it doesn't really matter. All that matters is this hammer moving. If it stops moving, then that means Minecraft froze. So after this runs, you'll see a mods tab, and you'll see all these words down here, and it'll say 4 mods loaded. Those are the first 4 mods that you need to run your Forge. Now, you have nothing there, and all you want to do is just quit game. What that did right there is it installed a mods folder. So if you go to your %app data%, you can you have to have the exact percents and percents. It can be capitalized if you want. And you could also put this in run if you're on like Windows 7. And you just click enter. And you'll see your Minecraft. Look down to your Minecraft folder, .minecraft. And then go to your mods folder. See, that is new because of Forge, when you run it without any mods, it will make its own mods folder. Now, if you don't have any mods folder, then you manually make one, a new folder, and call it mods, like this. So you call it mods, and that's it. I already have it, so like I don't want to do it. So now you have your mods folder. And what you want to do with this is you want to put your mods in it. It's empty right now because we don't have any mods. Now, you don't always want to download from every single shady website because some mods could be unreliable and they could give you a virus. So sometimes I like to download from 9minecraft.net. So that's one of them I like to download from. Trust me, every single website's shady. I also like to download from minecraftmods.com. And that's where you can get some mods. Now, every single mod, like I told you, has to be your version that you downloaded for Forge. Now, for example, Handy World, Particle Man, Player Storage, I don't know these, but all of these are all for 1.12.2. So I'm going to just download from Minecraft mods. Now, I'm going to download useful backpacks. So once you download useful backpacks, you run your useful backpacks, blah, blah, blah. And you see down here, and you like this mod. So you're also gonna see, because I have an ad blocker, you'll see ads down here. This is download, 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 and you'll see like an X button, all that. They're all Google ads, and they're all fakes and scams. And they might relate to it, but that's fake and scam. So it also requires an additional API found here. So some mods rely on other mods. So you'll have to get that mod too. So for now, we're going to download this one. And it'll just download it. And it's pretty, safe. And you won't get a virus. And I've tried this without an antivirus. And you're pretty much safe to go. So, useful backpacks. Now we're going to download the API down here. And I'm not just talking about this mod. You can download, there's trillions of mods out there. All of this stuff. Yeah. So, useful backpacks, you got these two mods down here. If it looks like books, that's just because I'm using one raw. It doesn't really matter. So now you can close that. You can go to you could go to your downloads, and you'll have these two. Now, what you want to do with those folders, you don't want to open them, but you want to drag them into your mods folder, and you're good to go. So once you run Minecraft, down here, you open your Minecraft. And you'll have to run the Forge. You can also rename it if you think it's kind of weird. You can change this, we'll change that. We'll call it backpacks. And then yeah. Just a little tip here. If you think it's kind of laggy, so you click on advanced settings. You click OK. It's just it just doesn't want you modifying everything. But if you're saying oh man, my Minecraft's so laggy and mods are doing everything and all of that, I'll tell you another tip out there too. But there's so you want to check how much RAM you have. So I have 8 gigabytes of RAM. Now, right now, if you click on JVM arguments, turn that on, it's using only 1 gigabyte of RAM. You want to use half the RAM you use. So I'll change that to 4 because I have 8, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we'll just leave that, and we're good to go. So we'll click save. And also, guys, I want to add in a new mod. And sorry for all of this long stuff, but a new mod that really upgrades and doubles your frames, which is really helpful to me, is Optifine. So Optifine.net. That's the link you want to go there. And you'll get your mods. And Optifine.net. Optifine is really helpful for me. And Optifine right here adds a whole new settings where you can modify every single setting and detail of your video settings. So you want to get the latest, and for your version 1.12.2, it's a mod, and it's also a client you can open, but we're using Forge as the library, so you don't want to do that. So we'll just download this, and you don't want to go there because we already downloaded it. So after it finishes downloading, this is a glitch. After it finishes downloading, you want to go to your same old %app data %.minecraft folder. So now you have this, and now we put it in your mods folder, and you run Minecraft, and you will see the your mods and your Optifine. Okay, so we finally got to Minecraft, and it'll say Optifine. Optifine's loaded. HGUT3. And if you go to mods tab, you got your dude team core and you got your useful backpacks. Now, those are mods loaded. Optifine will not show up because it's down here. And that's pretty much it. So we're gonna load up a new world. Backpacks. I don't really know how to spell it. Who cares? And we'll just make that large biomes. Doesn't matter. Just create a new world, and I will show you that these mods actually work and that Forge is running good and Optifine. I will also show you the features of Optifine. Okay, so this is our Minecraft world, and it shows up all of the stuff, but don't click because you already downloaded it. So, just some of the settings that I like to use for Optifine right here is FOV. I love to be Quake Pro. I'm useful for that. And graphics, if you want the best frames, you want to do fast. And actually, before that, you want to go to other and you want to show FPS. Right now, I'm running off 74 frames per second. Now, for graphics, you want to do fast. Brightness, it doesn't really matter. I like to make it bright. Render distance, 8 is normal. Max frame rate, you can make it unlimited for the best frames. It's just, I like to lower it so it doesn't use much of my CPU. And where I notice it is, won't notice it is 120. And you also want to use, for dynamic lights, I like to do fast. And shaders, so shaders, I will actually make that next video if I can. But shaders, pretty much, you just download it as a zip, put it in, and it will like make Minecraft look better. So, details, I like to have the trees as smart, or I like it smart because they are like kind of transparent. And clouds, I like to have it like off. Sometimes in shaders, it makes it look really ugly. If you want to have fog, you make that off because it's actually fastest. It shows you all these little settings and makes off no fastest. So we'll just keep that off for the best FPS. So we'll just click done and go performance. I like to have like smooth world on, fast math on, and smooth FPS on. I like to have those on, and that's pretty much my settings. So now I'm going to show you my backpack mod, and you will have a 1 out of 2, or if you have more mods, then you'll have a new tab, and you click this button right here, and it has useful backpacks. This is for 1.12.2. Now look at the backpack, and you have so much space. Wow. Get the small backpack. You have not much space, but good a decent amount. And so those are how you install mods, guys. So that is how you install shaders, guys. Hope you enjoy this video, and hopefully this really helped you, because that is the point of this video, to help you guys enjoy Minecraft way better. I will make this is kind of a sneak peek, but I will make a new video of how to install shaders. I mean, I've been installing all this stuff, and I bet you've been getting jealous of all these mods that have been happening in these videos. And my channel is not dead. This is actually the first video coming out on my channel. And sorry for the late uploads. I haven't really found a video editor yet. And video editor, and I've got a new computer. All that stuff takes a while. And all these computer accessories. And if you want to know what shader this is, but this is Silder's Vibrant Shaders. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and peace.